Hello Delhi, what's good? How is the George? Can I get some hi? How is the George? Okay, so this is going to be the opening of the song. I'm trying my best to give my best performance and I hope you guys enjoy it. They asked me the songs, 2 of my favorite songs, so I compiled it into 3 and this is going to be a mashed up. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys know the song, you can dance along with me as well. Shake like with this beat. Hit that score, Michelle fight for the hard goal. This one's for the good girls and good girls, straight masterpiece, styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got chunks on with Saint Laurent. Gotta keep myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, hot damn. All the police and the fireman, I'm too hot, hot damn. Make it try, don't wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. And my band bout down, money breaking out. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night we were in the club. Don't believe it, just watch. Come on! This is one of my favorite country songs. And this song is dedicated to the girls out there. And the boys need to know that all girls want to be treated. Well, letting out of mine better be proud of me. Even when I'm not, please feel that I love you. I can be late for a day, that's fine, but you better be on time. Well, letting out of mine say please just right when you ask your just a little too tight. And you think I do a say better be okay when I have a bad hair day. And if I change my mind a million times, I wanna hear him say yeah, 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 like it that way. Any man of mine better walk the line. Better show me a teasing, squeezing, pleasing kind of time. I need a man who knows how the story goes. Gotta be hard-hitting, fine-tuned, breathtaking, hurt-hitting kind. Any man of mine. I want the seminary to raise the beat. Real talk, so go, we got the jacket, papi, every single I can make it. Let's go so free. I put it all my life. Let me shade is free. It's a different sight. Let's go so free. I put it all my life. Let me shade is free. It's a different sight. Looking out my rear view, all I see is lovers. This is just a preview. I use my guess for later. Black out, black out, coming back from. Redneck, tell me that I got a nice son. Gotta make sure that I keep my baby clean. This game keep me hungry like a kid at 17. Just got a big watch, shining like a dishwash. Eating sour like you need a nap from Rick Ross. Hawaiian AMG, but my next bird just might be M3. Sticky boats, sticky boats, drinking with the local boats. Picking them up and popping like a beach and popping beach and snow. We blue, like we got shit, it's there we go. Pushing it to colors for the year, like a little boat, little boat. I ain't got no time to be giving out my lines. Said it's trying to live my life, cause I know I'm about to shine. Let's go so free. Put it all my life. Bring the shade is green. It's a different sight, yeah. Let's go so free. I put it all my life. Bring the shade is green. It's a different sight. Pseudo, set up जबानी चाय में पानी हाथ में कलाकारी मैं पाप खाली भारी थाली सर पे जिम्मेदारी एक ही तो मालिक बाकी कुछ दिन वाले को छारी कार का भी तू इस रेड के में शाकाहारी बहुत चल रेड से वो सुने देखी गली का अब ये मेरी की भी खली कलाकार हम हाथ लेके हमसे में जारी कर सवार अपनी वही चली वही चाबी की मैं नाच की मैं चाबी लो तो देखी कि मैं सारी नहीं आने वाली काम तेरी मई सोई झूठ का तो बोल पाएगा अभी यार पैसा खर्चा तो मैं तो खाएगा that's it life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. Thank you all.